Top Gun options traders and investors. Matt Buckley, call sign Whiz, the primary model portfolio manager here at TGO, and joining you today from lovely Bloomington, Minnesota, working with a biotech company up here and having a great day, but taking a break out to do some trading, knock out our market sit rep or situation report. A lot going on in the market, a lot going on this week, folks, as we kind of drift up, and we're really getting lulled into, I think, a trap here. You know, look at the main headline or what's coming out initially of the fiscal cliff. Tax now, cut later. Isn't this great? So the Republicans, Boehner kind of reached across the aisle and said, we're up for more revenue, but you know we'd like to hold on the tax rates, and here come the Democrats, folks. Debs, dig in over reform. So God forbid you mentioned the E word, right? Entitlements. So they're going for everything. Liberals have a series of demands. It's absolutely incredible. So, and of course, the president's going to go on a 20-day, $4 million vacation out to Hawaii when this fiscal cliff stuff is going on. Shocker. So, Republicans, in my opinion, are the establishment Republicans are just absolutely clueless right now. They're Charlie Brown with Lucy. The Democrats are going to promise, we'll get to entitlement reform and cuts down the road. Right now, we need the revenue, and if the Republicans fall for it, they should cease to exist as a party here. So the fiscal cliff framework is starting to emerge here, and it's what's his name, Wimpy from Popeye, right? I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today. And if the Republicans fall for it, we're doomed, folks. What's going on the flight schedule today? Had some interesting financial information. Obviously, GDP came out and a little less than was forecast, but a little stronger than the anemic 1.8, 1.920-ish. So starting a little upward climb in GDP here. Weekly unemployment claims finally came down from being elevated above that 400,000 level. But look at this. Last week's 416 or 410K was actually 416. So still incredibly high weekly unemployment. So that's just not good. Preliminary GDP price index, again, a little bit flat there. Pending home sales came in surprisingly strong. Month over month, home sales, 5.2%. We were only looking for about a percentage gain. Big on my radar for tomorrow, folks, right here. Personal spending and personal income. Okay, because I have some retail position or retail trades on, and for example, Abercrombie and Fitch, A&F, and the stock just keeps climbing. I'm getting ready to get out of the way of this because it just doesn't make any sense, folks. I mean, unemployment's up, Sandy devastated the Northeast. People are having to rebuild their homes, not too worried about going and buying skinny jeans, but retail is showing surprising strength to me, and the way our model portfolios are positioned here at Top Gun Options is we're neutral to bearish coming into this fiscal cliff, ready for the Kabuki theater and the clown car that we're going to see here shortly. And again, folks, the clock's ticking. They haven't even started really discussing this, the fiscal cliff. And as you can see, the initial broadside from the Democrats has been, we won, suck it, and that's just not going to be good. So, to me, retail is showing surprising strength, but tomorrow we'll get a good indication of personal spending and personal income and whether or not the consumer really is alive or dead. I think strategically, with layoffs and companies, folks, the company I'm working with today, I was in actually Canada a couple days ago, up in Regina, Saskatchewan. Fly around the country and work with a lot of companies, folks, and they're getting skinny. They're reducing employees' hours to get them under the Obamacare threshold, and just I'm on the front lines and seeing a lot of stuff that's really not reflected in the market right now. So hey, a broken clock can be right twice a day, but we're trying to get that timing right here, Top Gun Options, so we can see some max profitability there. So like I said, managing some great positions here, Top Gun Options. Nice Chipotle weekly trades that are working out. Apple weekly trades that are really working out. Nice $1,600 gain there. So having a blast here at Top Gun Options, and I'll be back in Miami, in South Florida tomorrow morning, and I'll give us a Friday market wrap up. Okay, got to get trading and get back to work with my clients up here. So happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. We'll see you.